Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve failed opening on Gmail, we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail app and you can click. Here you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.